What's up guys, it's Greta, and today we are celebrating the 4th of July by doing a fun, festive hairstyle. So I have these fun red and blue extensions in my hair, and we're going to do like a 4-strand ribbon braid to show them off. And I'm going to do this side for you, show you how to do it here. I'm going to do this side off camera. We're going to put the look together, and it's going to be super fun, and I really hope you enjoy it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into the style. So to begin, I've brushed out my hair. I've separated it in the middle. So I have half on this side, half on this side. It's down the middle and the back as well. I'm going to separate these extensions, which these are aqua hair extensions. They are the cylinder extensions. So the very tips of them kind of look like the tips of a shoelace, and they get clamped in with a bead. So I'll see if I can kind of show you what they look like in my hair right now. Okay. So I just have 2 of those on each side. So I'm going to hold these off to the side in my mouth for the time being. I'm going to separate this into 3 sections, and then as I begin, I'll talk you through it. So what I just did was took my right side piece, brought it over to the middle, and then I brought this from behind and brought it over the middle. Now this side is gonna go under, and then my middle, my ribbon section goes under. Outside goes over. Color goes over, left outside goes under, color goes under that middle. The color is only working around the middle. Outside right goes over, color goes over that. Outside left goes under, color goes under that. Outside right goes over. So we're switching. The right always goes over, the left always goes under. So outside goes over, color goes over. Outside left goes under, color goes under. Over, over. Under, under, over, over, under, and under. I'm reaching the end. It's getting a little bit more difficult. The end of my color. It's going to end sooner than the rest of my hair, so we're gonna do a fun little bun on the bottom of this. It's gonna be super cute. Under, under, over, over. We're reaching that end. You can see that end right there. This is the difference right now because that color is moving so much. It's basically weaving under, over, under, over, under, over. It shortens much quicker. So a lot of times when you do ribbons, the ribbon is much, much longer than everything else. So I'm actually gonna stop it here. I'm gonna grab my hair elastic. Just have a little one here. I'm gonna come grab all my section, grab that, grab it a second time, create a loop, Then with the end, I'm gonna just bring it around that loop I created. Kind of getting it snug. Finding my hair elastic over here. And then I'm just gonna pull that hair through it. Okay. You just have like a little fun bun right there. And what you're gonna do now, you don't have to do this part, but I think it's fun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull on the very edges and pancake it a little bit. Just on the edges. If you don't know how to pancake, I do have a full tutorial on that. Alright. I'm not pancaking and pulling out the color because the color was already pretty short and I don't want to make it shorter. So this is our style. Okay. Doesn't look like too much right now, but we are going to finish this side. We're going to accessorize and then it'll be great. I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is it, the finished look. We have both braids with the color in them, which is super fun and festive. Now, even though it didn't reach the end, I think it's fun to do something like this. Little buns on the end, give it a messy, fun, boho festive look. And last but not least, it's summer, so let's do something fun. I've got this fun straw hat. You can do whatever you want. You could leave it without a hat, you could do a scarf over it, you could do whatever, but I think super cute, super fun. Just pop on a little straw hat and summer ready, super cool, ready to go watch some fireworks. Anyway, this was my 4th of July hairstyle tutorial for you guys. I really hope you enjoy it and that you try it out. If you do, let me know in the comments down below and tell me how it went. You can do this with ribbon, and all you have to do is put this in like a ponytail, tie the ribbon around it, do your red ribbon here, your blue ribbon there. You could do red, white, and blue on each and just kind of, you know, you see how some of this turned blue, some of it turned red. They just kind of intermix. As long as you get a good spread of color, you're good and you look festive. So that's all that matters, and that's fun. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I make videos every Thursday, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!